Hello, my name is Igor Martinez. I applied for Nottingham Trent University as to start in the year 2026. I'm currently in University of East London doing a foundation year. I wanted to apply because I wanted to switch up and find something new. And I'm very interested in starting the year and hopefully I get accepted into it. So I have here my portfolio. This is where it starts. And then this is the second page, as I've put in the link for you. This is a hackathon project that we done, took pictures in a camera. So on this, you're gonna see it on the link. So we used cardboard, and then there was two different contrast words that we had to choose. I chose simple and complex. So I did one sketch and then one build of cardboard, which was one simple one and one complex one, and then we went to another room, grabbed some cameras and took pictures of it. This was a second, which was some sketches that we done. The picture in the middle is a wooden kind of building, a 2x2 that the teacher done, and we had to sketch it out and kind of measure the sides. So the first and two is like, we have like a floor plan, a side plan, a top view to get us better and going for the sketches. This is, I explained it, but this one on the right is we had to draw kind of like a room. We had a paper, we had another color paper. We said sketch out like the outline of like one of your floors at home. I did the floor I'm in right now, the third floor. So as you can see here on this green one, this is my room, someone else's room, another room, toilet there, and then you have some stairs that I did it, and we stuck it to the wall. And then these two pictures on the left here, they're plan A for they're my first plan. Me and two people in our class, we trying to design a hat, and it didn't quite work out. So that was the first plan we had, and we decided to scrap that and start a whole new one, which I'll get into it at the end. This was a drawing, like I said here, this was a drawing and measurements of the whole arts building that we measured each wall in teams and drew it. So the whole class went around the whole architecture and arts block, and each we separated in teams of 3, and each people had to measure a part of a wall, and then we all gathered together, all put our thoughts together, and we all managed to connect each part with and give everyone the measurements. And then we all had to draw it out and then put the amount in there correctly. We did the rule was times 1.5. So we had the drawing and we had to make it a whole A3. And these two are separate because this is the continuation of this. This one is the continuation of this right on the right side. And then this was my final project for the hats that actually worked out. Like it says here, this is a hat project where we built unique hats with paper. This was the actual plan that worked out, plan B. After we scrapped the other one, we decided me and a teammate managed to do these two. And then we went on like a room, and the teacher took a picture of us. On the picture you can't see it, but you have me and my classmate there. We kind of made something rotational, like when you couldn't obviously because it was a picture, but I was rotating around her, kind of like the solar system orbiting around. Like she was stood still and I was walking around it because the hat that we built with the chains, it let us rotate it fully. So yeah, these are some of the projects I've done so far in 6 months that I've been in University of East London in my foundation year. And I'm really excited to join you guys in 2026 in September, hopefully. Thank you very much. My name is Igor Martinez.